TS33 Automatic Test System. Simultaneous active and reactive energy testing on a single meter. Open the TS33 three-phase automatic meter testing system with reference meter and integrated current and voltage source. Connect power cord to TS33 system. Connect the current cables to the TS33 current outputs. Connect the voltage cables to the TS33 voltage outputs. Set voltage, current, and phase shift. To do this, open the generator module. Open the symmetrical function and set the voltage, current, and phase angle values. Next, click Start to generate the signal. After generating the signals, open the meter function to verify that everything is operating correctly. When the signals are generated correctly, the energy meter will start pulsing. The active and reactive power LEDs will flash, indicating that the system has been connected properly. If everything is working correctly, connect the photo heads to read the meter pulses. To do this, first mount the holder to the photo heads. After mounting the holder, connect two photo heads to the two pulse inputs available on the TS33 device. Next, insert the photo heads into the dedicated holders. If everything has been set up correctly, the LED on the photo head will start blinking. This indicates that the pulses from the energy meter are being read. Set the pulse constant, measurement time, and the accuracy class for the energy meter. To do this, open the epsilon function. If you want the measurement to run continuously, select the checkbox as shown in the video. Once all parameters have been entered, click Start. The TS33 will then perform simultaneous testing of the energy meter, measuring both active and reactive power at the same time. This ensures a comprehensive and reliable verification of the meter's performance under real operating conditions. After the measurement is completed, the results can be displayed in table form, and you can switch between channel 1 and channel 2.